In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Drive attachments in Gmail within just 5 minutes. Sending files through email has never been easier thanks to the seamless integration between Google Drive and Gmail. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in, look for the Compose button, usually located on the left side of your screen. Clicking Compose will open up a new email draft where you can start creating your message. Next, you'll want to enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Be sure to double check their email to avoid sending your message to the wrong person. It's always a good practice to have the correct contact information to prevent any unnecessary follow-ups or resending. After entering the recipient's email, it's time to type in the subject of your email. Keep it concise and descriptive. A clear subject line can help the recipient understand the purpose of your email at a glance. Now move on to the body of your email. This is where you can provide any context or information relevant to the files you're about to attach. You might want to include a brief message or additional instructions related to the attachments, ensuring clarity and purpose in your communication. Once your email text is all set, look for the Drive icon in the toolbar at the bottom of your email draft. This icon represents insert files using Drive. Click on it to open a window that displays your Google Drive files. This is where you will select the file you want to attach to your email. When you find the file you want to send, click on it. You will notice two options appear, Add as Attachment and Add as Link. Choosing Add as Attachment will send the file itself, whereas Add as Link will send a link to the file stored on Google Drive. Choose whichever suits your needs best. Keep in mind that using a link can be handy if the file size exceeds Gmail's limitation, or if you plan to share the file with multiple recipients, as updates to the file on Drive will automatically reflect to the recipients. Finally, review your email to ensure everything looks good. The recipient's address, subject line, email body, and attached files are all correct. Once you're ready, click on Send. Your email, together with the Google Drive attachment, will be on its way to the recipient. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you have successfully sent an email with a Google Drive attachment via Gmail. This feature not only simplifies the process of sharing files, but also ensures your attachments are easily accessible and secure. Thanks for joining, and stay tuned for more tech tips.